All right, now we want to add some pages to our Shopify store. So in order to do so, we go down here to sales channels and then down to pages. And now we can add pages. Altogether, we want to add right now 8 different pages. So we click right now on add page. And what we now want to do is we want to type in the first title of the first page. The only thing that we now want to worry about is the page title, nothing else. So let's start actually with about us. This is something that we always need. So we click on save, and then afterwards we click on create another page. This might take now a couple of seconds. So then now create another page. And now the next page we want to call FAQ. So then we click on save. Then we want to add the page, of course, contact us. I think this is also quite self-explanatory. So we look for, we type this one in, and then we click on save. And then afterwards, we want to create another page that we call order tracking. So let's do that, order tracking. Click on save. And now we want to create another page that we call shipping and delivery, let's call it. Shipping and delivery. So we save that as well. 3 more to go. So we click on, again, create another page. Now, returns policy. Click on save, and now we still have privacy policy and terms of service. So let's add privacy policy and terms of service. Okay, terms of service. We click on save, and now we're done with that. So now I want to click on edit to your store's navigation. And then we are done with this step. Then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to basically work with those and how to get content on them. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.